Hello friends, today I'll be talking about one of the softwares which is largely used in automation industries for dashboard creation and visualization, and it has also become a part of IndiaSkills and WorldSkills competition from this year onwards. The procedure to open this Grafana software is through Ranchor desktop. As you can see, these software links are also available on the website of IndiaSkills, and I'll directly provide this link in the description. So what you need to do to install the Rancher desktop and this container containing InfluxDB core, InfluxDB Explorer and Grafana. So why do we need InfluxDB? In the competition, the data source which is used by Grafana will be InfluxDB only. So we'll be mainly focusing on InfluxDB and we'll see SQL also. Once you download this, you have to follow some steps to set up your Rancher desktop and adding the containers of InfluxDB and Grafana. Once you do this all, open your Rancher desktop and go to containers. So here you will see these three softwares which you have downloaded. And you can open Grafana by clicking on this link, or you can directly browse localhost and port 3000. So Grafana works on port 3000. Let's close it and open it again. So this is it, and it has many databases, sorry, data sources to connect. It has no limitations, but we will be mainly focusing on InfluxDB and the SQL. And the visualization, you can see this vast variety of visualization it covers, and we'll learn all these things from the next video. So thanks for watching.